Hi nail art friends, I'm back and today I'm going to show you how to do a super simple Christmas tree manicure. Let's go! Starting out with a base of champagne, which is the gold colour, and satin, which is white from Sistaco, and using these two colours, on my palette I'm going to drop a drop of top coat. Pick up some colour and mix it in. Now with a fine brush, you're going to take colour and just draw out the Christmas tree shape like a snake, starting from about a quarter of the way down the nail and getting larger as we go towards the base. As this is a gel mixture, if you make a mistake you can just get a brush or a cotton bud / Q-tip, dip it in some isopropyl alcohol and just wipe it off. And once you're happy with the design, cure for 30 seconds to ensure that it doesn't move. Try and make sure that you cure straight away. Now get your second colour for the star and draw it on. And again, when you're happy with the design, cure as soon as possible. And now we're done. You can add a top coat if you like, but you don't need to as this is gel. Thanks for watching.